Hello, this is James. Today is Thursday, May the 8th, 2025. Yes, we had to buy another Archer AX5400 TP-Link router because the one that we bought in October of 2024 apparently was hit by a static lightning strike on Tuesday the 6th of this month, just a few days ago. The internet light would keep going off and then back to green and then to orange and then back to green and then back to orange and then off. And it kept telling me over here, it would say my SSID of Skynet, it would say connected but no internet. Connected with no internet. And my smartphones would say connected to my SSID of Skynet but no internet. And very slow download speed of only like 4 megabytes per second when I should be getting over 670. So I would connect the computer directly to the modem and I would get good internet speed. But when I would connect the modem to the router, everything would go south. So we put a new router in here. There's the new router. And of course, there's your internet light right there. That green light right there to the right of my finger. That light right there says internet. And it would go green, then it would cut off, and then it would go orange, and then it would come back to green, then it would cut off, then it would go orange, or sometimes it would go from green to orange to off, and it would cycle through over and over again. Which it was trying to pull an internet connection from the modem, which is right there. There's your modem. Let's see, get some light on right there. So let's get this radio out of the way. This is your Spectrum modem. Of course, you know, you got two lights on right there. Those two blue lights right there indicate that you got internet. And of course, you know, like I said, when you plug the computer directly into the modem, it was working fine. But for some reason, after that damn thunderstorm we had Tuesday, the router decided to stop working. The little globe right there, the light would go green to orange to off, green to orange to off, green to orange to off. So we replaced it. And the only thing I can think of is lightning came through the back of the coax. Why it didn't wipe out the modem, I don't know. But it took a hit through the router, and the router was only a few months old. But we replaced it, and now it's working again. So now I got the old router over here on the bottom, and the new one above it. And we're going to try to file a claim either with Walmart and Allstate or with TP-Link and try to get a replacement. Thank you.